Hello guys, this is Esther and I'll show you how to draw Venom. So Venom's head is sort of like an egg shape and then it's cut in the middle. Then the neck and the back. Alright, now the face, we'll start with the eyes. And the eyes are pointy at the tips and curvy and wavy in the middle. So try to make like a Nike logo into a C with waves. Alright, and then point it and connect. Awesome. Now add a little bit of detail around them. And then let's do the mouth. So the side of mouth, it's very weird, wavy, and it has holes. So that's what I'm drawing right there. Okay. Now let's draw the tongue. The tongue is like the shape. I'm gonna draw it like a reverse S, and then the tip is gonna be very thin. And then as you go into the face, we're gonna make it thicker. So I'm just gonna draw little guide dots. Then connect it. And then add a little line down and then a little wrinkle. Alright, now we're gonna draw the right side, so we're gonna add little holes as well on the other side. And then we're gonna draw the mouth. And this line, you're gonna draw it 3 times. So that's 1. We're gonna draw another one underneath. And the last one, which is the gum. And there it goes. Add little lines to it to add little detail. Alright, and then we're gonna keep going with the mouth. And put the line where you want to place his bottom teeth and his chin. Alright, now draw his chin, his little chest. Alright, just draw a little detail on the arm. For the teeth, it doesn't have to be perfect because he doesn't have perfect teeth, but you do want to make them curved at the top and then pointy at the tip. And on the top of his mouth he has a lot of teeth, so try to draw them very close to each other. Now, you don't have to draw them all straight, you can draw them sort of crooked. So I drew one that is mainly crooked in the middle to add like different detail. Right, we're gonna draw the bottom now. So it's sort of the same as the top, just that these are a little bit more separated, but they are still curved at the bottom and then pointy at the tip. And they are crooked as well. They're not all straight. Alright, so now just try to even them out on the left side and the right. So he has the same amount of teeth on the left side as the right side. Alright. Now let's add more detail with some saliva. The saliva we're gonna add in the middle of the tongue and around it, and some coming down the teeth and chin. So whenever you're coloring, make sure to not color the saliva. Okay, now to color the fun part. The eyes are white, but add black around the rim of the eye. And then add a little blue to the face, because he's not totally blue. I mean black. And then the mouth. for the mouth, we're gonna add red, white, and black. The teeth, yellow, black, and white. And then we're gonna add black right under the teeth. And the tongue, on the bottom of the tongue, we're gonna add black. And on the other side, we're gonna color red. And then I'll add a little bit of white in it with black to give it more detail. And then the bottom teeth as well, white, yellow, and black. And then add some black to make it more sharp. And then the body black with white. There it goes. Thanks for watching.